Well, some changes are coming to the Blue Ridge Parkway, and visitors are going to feel the impact for the next year. ABC 13's Allison Mullet has more on the lengthy detour that Parkway lovers are going to have to get familiar with.
The James River Bridge here in the Blue Ridge Parkway will be closed after this weekend. Visitors will now have to take a 5-mile detour to get to certain hiking trails and the James River Visitor Center. Construction crews are restoring the James River Bridge, and the detour is set to last until next fall. Parkway regulars say the construction will be inconvenient. Some folks are even considering avoiding the area altogether.
So that'll be quite a detriment to getting through this area to loop through.
The detour is about 5 miles long. Rather than getting off at 501 where the bridge is, the detour takes you further down 501, onto Elon Road, and then back to the Parkway, which you can then take to get back to the James River Visitor Center. I wanted to see how long this 5-mile detour really takes, so I'm going to set a timer and drive it for myself. The detour took me 10 minutes from where it began until I made it to the Visitor Center. Typically, it only takes 1 minute and 40 seconds to drive across the bridge. Harrell says that if he was on a motorcycle trip this way and saw the detour, he'd do what he can to avoid it.
Obviously, I probably wouldn't just be going any further on the Parkway. We would get off here at the 501, and I just wouldn't even bother looping to get back onto the Parkway.
Despite the inconvenience, the National Park Service says the construction will bring new life to the area. In a statement, they said they're putting down new asphalt, replacing the bridge bearing, and repairing the bridge deck and the visitor center parking lot.
Is the road condition, road surface is something that I deal with. So I appreciate that they're, doing the construction on the road.
National Park Service says that the construction will begin around September 9th. In Big Island, Allison Mullet, ABC 13 News.